Hello po sir, good day po. I am Beljet M. Padilla. This is my exam laboratory. And now, let's proceed to creating a new database. This creates a new database named UEP1DB. Then go and double this correct. And then copy this code. This one, this creates a table named departments um, without with two columns. Department ID, it is have a unique ID for each department, primary key, the auto increments to reduce the redundancy and have the normalization here. And department name varchar stores the name of the departments. Not null is the okay lang naman po kung wala to sir. Then proceed na po tayo sa code. And code is correct. Then we need to create students table sir. Copy na lang po ito para mabilis na po tayo. Um, um, this creates a table named students with student ID unique for um, INT, photo enrollment, and primary key. Um, and the student ID, this is a unique ID for each student, auto enrollment, and primary key. In the name poster, the student full name and voucher 100. Yan po sir. Then age, the student age, um, only numbers lang po sir sa int. Tapos major, voucher 100. Pwede po natin tanggalin yung null. Wait po sa dati po sir. Yan po sir. GPA, at sa enrollment po tayo sir. Enrollment year, int, number lang din po yung tinatanggap ng int. Tapos GPA, decimal 3.3 and 2. The grade points average stores as a decimal, max 3 digit to 2 decimal places. And department ID in. Ito po yung sa kanina sir. Para alam po kung saan po siya kung saan department po siya nag-enroll sir. Then the foreign key ensures department ID exists in the department's table sir. Then go. And now, mag-insert na po tayo ng data sa students. Copy ko lang ulit yung code. Yes, sir. Ay, mali. Mag-insert po muna tayo ng department name po, sir. Or subjects. Ito po sir. Ito na yung code niya sir. And this adds 5 departments to the departments table. Insert into, ito po sir, hinahanap po niya yung departments. Mag-i-insert po itong lahat sa my department sir. Department name and the values, papasok lang po siya sa answer, then ito. Pindutin lang po yung 1, baby. Tapos, SQL ulit po tayo, sir. Tapos, mag-insert lang po tayo sa student table po, sir. Ito lang po siya, sir. Ayan po. Wait lang. Sabi ko lang po. Then, insert into students. Ang tinatawag naman po siya, yan dito ngayon, sir, is yung student table, sir. Tapos, ayan po siya, sir. Name, age, major, enrollment year, GPA, department ID. Ito po siya yung name, age, computer, science, para sa major, 2020, 2021 para sa enrollment year, 3.8 para sa department ID, ay sa general average po niya sir. Tapos 1 sa department ID niya po sir. Then go. Ayan po siya sir. Then pinutin lang po natin ito ulit sir. Then ito, tapos QL, select lang po natin ito. Ito po sir, select from students. Ngayon po sir, nag-select from students. Ngayon, ang hinahanap niya sa students, where GPA, tapos less than 3.5. Tapos, and major computer science or major engineering, sir. Yan po yung mga hinahanap niya, sir. Then, sa 3.5 po, sir, ma-retrieve si students with GPA greater than 3.5. Only includes computer science or engineering students, sir. Then, pag kinuha po natin siya, sir, ito po yung magiging result niya, sir. Erin Jigger, 20, age, computer science. Tapos yung, ito na po, sir, 3.8, sir, greater than 3.5. Then, pindutin lang po natin ito ulit. Then, SQL. Ito po, sir. Then, select from students ulit po, sir. Order by GPA, TSCAS. Limit 3. Itong code na code naman po na ito, sir, is it descending sorts students by GPA and descending order highest to first. Limits the results to the top 3 students with the highest GPA. Since we only have 2 students, both will be displayed. Tignan po natin, sir. Ayan po siya, sir. Ayan po, sir, para mas makita po natin. And that's all po, sir. Thank you po.